In this video, we are going to talk about callback function in JavaScript. Here you can see I've created a JS file callback function and I have imported in source file, in script, okay, using source. Here, I'll go to W3 school and here you can see we have function. So let me just copy it and I will actually go to my code editor and here callback function, I will paste it. You have to say here console log, okay, console.log console.log. All right, here you can see hello goodbye. If I say my second at first, let me cut it from here and I will actually go here, and here you can see goodbye will be the first one. Now let's talk about callback function. So what is callback function? Callback function is callback function will be act as an argument to another function. Let me show you some example. Let's say I want to only call this my first, and then goodbye will actually show here. I want to actually pass here as parameter callback. So it means when I will call this my first, okay, I will call my first. Here I'm going to pass a parameter. So it callbacks means I will actually pass a function as parameter, okay. So this function will be the callback function for this my first function, because this will actually pass here as parameter. So here you can see when I call the function my first, I will actually pass my second as argument. So I will actually not do this, okay. So this my so I will actually pass here my second as parameter. So I am passing the function as parameter. So now it's called callback function. Here I'm going to say callback. So this parameter, okay, callback, and here I'm going to say like this, and here you can see goodbye. Okay, now let's say I want to give another example so that you can understand well. So I will create a function once again, define a function, and let's say I want to display only here, and here I will pass parameter, let's say any, okay, and here I'm going to console dot log, I'll say any, okay. And here I'm going to set, define one more function, and the function is, let's say, addition. Here I'm going to pass two parameter for the addition. So let's say 5 and 6. So I will actually say x and y, and I will actually say here result, okay. So I will say let result is equal to x plus y. Now I let's say I want to call the function, so I will say addition, okay. But when I say addition, it will actually show me nothing. Why? Because I have print value in display function, so I need to actually call back the function display function. So here I need to pass another argument, and that is callback, so that I can understand that, okay, here we have to pass a function as an argument. Okay, here I'm going to say, okay, now callback, I'll say callback, and then here I'm going to actually pass, I want to actually now call the function, okay, display function. So dummy text is here callback, so I will mention callback here. So I will pass the argument as result, so that this any will actually print here, okay. Then I have to now call the addition function, and here I have to pass two value 5,2, and then comma, I will say the function. Here you can see we are expecting a function, right? So here I'm going to say display function, display. So now it will actually show me 7. Here you can see 7. What is happening here? At first I have defined a function that will actually display something, and then I have defined another function that will do addition, and here I will actually call back a function. So I passed a callback as parameter, callback, and here addition. So, and here I pass these three parameter, and I have set a variable result, local variable, okay, result, and here I have added them, the first two parameter, and then the third one is function, right? Because it says that it's a callback, so we are expecting that we will actually pass a function as an argument. So here I call it callback, and then result. So the result is this result. Why? Because when I will call actually the display method function, okay, and then here the display function is also expecting an argument, right, to actually print something. So this result will actually we want to print. So here I'm going to pass this result as argument for this display, and here I will actually call the function addition. So I will call it, and then it's expecting 3 parameters. So the first one is first value, second one is second value, and then a function, and the function name is display we want to call. So this is called callback function. I hope you understand.